Mhm. Okay. Oh, forget music. Okay. Almost done.
Demandez la carte BMO.
Oh my god, sorry about that. Oh, stupid advertisement. I just need to validate that my stream work on Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube. And it is. Hello, Twitter. How are you doing? Sorry about the feedback. Trying to pause the Twitter feedback. Okay, the microphone work. Everything is set up. So welcome to Creator Sunday stream. Every Sunday I do creative content around Somnium Space, mostly words. If you don't know what Somnium Space words are, it's like some, let's say, parallel universe in Somnium Space where you can create kind of your own game, literally. You can access it from Somnium Space itself. You kind of like teleport to it. Yeah, so I mostly do Unity stuff here, and sometime I open Somnium Space to go test it. Let's do that. Oh yeah, I forgot to go to Discord. Discord voice chat in Somnium Space Discord. Where it is. There's so many. Okay. Load and chill, sorry. And I will share my screen. And now I have Nitro, so I can share in 1080. That's nice. There. Can I do that too? No, I can't. One sec. Let me adjust something for Discord. I use my VC Face virtual avatar for webcam. Oh, it's the checkbox. Yes, there. Now it's working. And don't work. That's fine, I guess. They won't see my face on Discord. Okay. So... Hello everyone. I'm Denevraut from the Somnium Space community. I'm a Unity game dev, 3D artist. Every Sunday I do creative content around Somnium Space, mostly words, since it's my specialty right now. I started a project 2 or 3 weeks ago called Open World. The idea is to create features, free features for world owner that don't want to use engine like OMG engine and Incrediworld OS. If you don't know what those are, basically when you have a Somnium Space word, they are completely empty. They don't have anything inside it. And to add games to your words, you need to use Unity. And in Creative Words and OMG, we made some kind of basic system you install in your Word. Then it accelerates your development a lot. Yeah. So I'm the creator of Incredible Words. It's yeah, it's a space renting system and also a word operating system, depend what you need. So people can rent terrain in my word, or they can install the operating system on their word, and then their development is way faster. And they have a lot of assets pre-made. But today we focus on the open world project where you don't need to buy or whatever or do whatever, you just use them. You can also use those in OMG and EWU, my project. They are just Unity project that have bold code on it. Like this one is the automatic door. That's week 1. Then we did a PC grabber after that. That was fun. With your mouse you can grab the ball here, and yeah, it was fun. Feel free to use those features in your word. And then next, yeah, let's continue that. Okay, so we are at week 3, project 3. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna call it project 3 and create a new scene. I guess scene project 3. Everything I do is available on a shared Google Drive. I normally paste the link every week. Let's go get it. I completely forgot what is the link. Let me check. Let's go on Somnium Space, Discord, and Word. Where's words? There's just so many channel. Okay, got it. Then I must have a link somewhere. Yes. Copy message link. Okay, I paste the link on Somnium Space. Discord again. Somnium Word channel. It did not work. Want to use our new open world. Word there. So you don't see what I type, but it's more for Discord. Good. Okay, sorry. Let's go. Let's continue. I hope this playlist is better than the last one I used. Hello. How are you doing? Okay. So I was just about to start a new project. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Have any proposition, BioCryo? What I could do in 2 hours? That would be interesting for people. No idea. Okay, that's fine. Let's think for a minute. So I can go in my word and I will get me inspiration. Of course, I want to do a feature that is done in 2 hours. Minus 10 minutes. So last week we did a grabbable system for PC. I won't do specific for VR because I cannot test it very fast. And a feature that is not test is worth nothing. Sorry about the noise. I cannot control this. Almost done. Okay, now it's silent. You can send me comments on Twitch, YouTube. or just come to Discord. You can also ping me on Discord, the Word channel. Let's see this Somnium space very fast. What can I code today? I guess something interactive. That's what we love.
How about something collectible? Like
Collectible. Oh yeah, why not? Let's do that. Oh wait, that's not my word. Since I need to test, I'm gonna go to my word first. Let's go. My play. You don't hear my music, but it's so bad. I need to find a solution for that. That's better than nothing. Okay, my parcel is about to pop. There, let's go. This one is empty? No, I know it's not. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the sound for now. Oh yeah, it's coming. Let's go. Collectible. That's a good idea. Do you prefer collectible when you're... Yeah, when your body touch it, so... How will that work in VR?
we haven't really went over like adding to lists or anything like that, have we?
Sorry?
Or we haven't really went over like adding to lists and stuff.
List.
Lists,
What do you mean list?
you know, like in game, you go get a coin or something like that, and it adds it to a list.
Yeah, that's true. We don't have that.
Do you have any implementation of that in your game?
Who's this? Oh, there's people here. What are they doing?
Sunday Swift.
Denevraut. Yep.
No, not here.
Good, good.
Double draw.
Sorry.
Denevraut.
Hello. I was sneaky peeking people. Oh my god. Okay, so BioCryo suggests today that we do some kind of collectible system. So what
Unless
I think I'm
Better, Ultra.
no, that's a good
Oh,
idea.
it sounds great.
So my first idea will be that we have a UI that is not linked to the avatar. That's simpler to do, and when we collect something, it will increase. So that could be used for a game of collect faster or whatever. Okay, let's do that. My god, when everything is open, my PC lag. I guess it's fine. What's this? Sorry. There's a smoosh on my microphone. Go away. Okay, I got it. Sorry. Okay, collectible. Let's go. I'm gonna reduce this to gain some FPS. Hopefully. Not at all. That's fine. Okay. Maybe if I pause Twitch. Okay. Oh my god, what the fuck is this music? Sorry. Sometimes there's Christmas music in this playlist. That's so weird. I'm about to just switch to nothing. Okay, I'm tired. Give me 1 minute. Find something else. VMCA. Free. They are all bad. I guess that's gonna be this one. Okay. Let's go. I need a floor.
And a hug.
Hug. A little bit. Okay, as usual, Unity pop stuff that you create a random place. I will never understand this logic. Okay. It's weird that I
Never
lose it.
understand
It's weird that I
anything.
have. Yes? What did you say?
Never understand anything.
Tch. I need my wood. No. Yes, ugly tile. I remember now. Okay. So, collectible. Wait, is it A or E? I. Collectible. Huh. Okay,
A.
I hope. A? Okay. So, we need something to recollect. First of all, I love to... What we want to upload is here. Just for me, since it's a EU uploader. Whatever. Okay. Again, every time I explain that I'm using my uploader, but it's just for developing faster here. You can use everything I do in any word. Good. Collectible system. So we want some UI, of course. We could make a nice UI for once. So I'm gonna go in UI instead of Text Mesh Pro. So what I want is some Text Mesh Pro, just text, yes. Okay, of course UI are gigantic when you create them. So you need to select the canvas. Sorry, what? Yeah, something's wrong. Why canvas is gray?
Don't break, I got treat. Oh yeah, it's birthday. What are you doing?
Whoops, we have some intruders. Why my canvas? Oh yeah, it needs to be on word space, sorry. There. Canvas is on word space. Canvas is the holder of UI. I normally put 1% of the size. Yes. Where it is now. Oh. Yeah, and I reset the position too. 0, 0, 1, 1. There. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, let's try with 100, 100. Oh, wait, what is it doing? Yeah, that's fine. When I put the scale to 1 on 100, it automatically gives you like 100 pixel per meters. I love this scale. I know it's weird to scale this, but it's the only one I will scale. Everything inside will be in pixels now. So this is 100 by 100 pixels. It's just a reference. You can have higher density. Now I can reduce the text size like this. I don't know, 8. That's too small. 16. Yeah, that's fairly fine. I need a background too. Right click. I'm gonna steal it from something else. UI button. I'm gonna steal the background from the button. No, I can't. Damn it. I don't remember. UI. Is it image? Maybe. Image? I'm not sure. It's not. UI. UI image. Drop down. Slider. Canvas. Let me go check. I don't remember. Wait. Must be image. Yeah, that's it. Image. Good. You select with the circle here, you select like one of those. Input field. It's called a sprite, is it? No? Yes, a sprite. Yes. Sprite are special image that can be like stretch, correctly stretch. You can make your own. It's not super hard to do, but let's keep it simple. So you see the corner is very pixelized here. I can go 1.5 in pixel density. It's gonna be a little bit better. Our one is it's fine too.
Sprites are really cool in VR because like whenever you move your goggles and stuff, it stays with it.
What?
Sprites are cool in VR because whenever you move your goggles, it moves
Yes.
with it. Like if you
No,
tilt
no,
your head,
no.
they
That's
stay-
not this. What you say? It's another thing.
Oh, my bad.
Do you mean some kind of 2D picture that follow your head, right?
Yes, Sprite.
So it looked 3D. I think they call it billboard. I'm not sure. Maybe Sprite 2. I'm not sure. I never found the right name. We can select a color. Let's go with the dark gray. Okay, so that's our background now. Depending on the order, you can put some transparency for it to look more modern. There. You see that this is very old because since 2020 something, most UI don't have borders anymore. It's just a tricks now. Like buttons don't have borders anymore. That's how it is. Or like barely anything. Like this button here. You don't have border. It's just a plain color.
Infinity Edge, right?
I could make a new one, but we won't do that today. Okay, so the text. Let's make it like some kind of collect. Is it correct? And let's do some. Okay, let's collect some wood logs, right? Because I have a wood texture. To the object. Do I have a cylinder? Cylinder. Oh, that's ugly. There. Now remember when I said if you see too dark shadow, go on lighting, generate lighting. Just once, then it's gonna be fine. There. Now the scene is coherent with the is this a word? Coherent? I hope.
Yes, it's a word. It's a good word.
Okay. I never know if I translate French to English or just say something that doesn't exist. Lol. Okay, so this is gonna be our log. We need to put a rigid body on it. There, now it's physical. So it's gonna be simple. As long as we touch it, it's gonna be collect. And oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make one of the log floating on the side. So the canvas is gonna be smaller on the height. Okay. You see, I changed the height and nothing happened. I can check the background. I will select here the anchor, whatever, and I click here. So now the this image will be slave to its parent canvas, and I can change the size. Image. If I do that, what happened? Yeah, same. I can select the position or the scale. It's very nice. There, collect, and then under it I'm gonna put another text that's gonna be the quantity, like 0, and I will center. I can even make the UI smaller. Canvas. There. Yeah, it's not super beautiful, but I guess you get the idea. We have only 2 hours, so minus 25 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so this cylinder here will spin there. So I need an animation. Good. So create empty, spinning cylinder. Good. Oh yeah, we need a material. I think I have a ugly wood material somewhere. Open word, material, wood. That's gonna be way enough. Yeah, okay. So spinning cylinder. Okay, is correctly placed. There. And now the cylinder, you go. Damn it. There. Okay, I'll make it smaller. And an angle. It's gonna spin like this. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Good. Now I need an animation and an animator. Did I organize my other project? PC grabber? Oh wow, that was simple. Okay, so folder. No, not material. Folder. Hashtag. That's just for me. I call it animation, but I put animator and animation in the same folder. Animator controller. Spinning log. Control C for copying. Oh yeah, I will call it animator too. Just for... I never remember which icon is the animation and which one is the animator.
So I have a question.
Yes.
So we can use an animation or we can use an animator. So
No, you need to use both.
You need to use both? But can't we just
Yes.
put an animation component
mean,
without having the animator?
You can use
I mean,
the
the
deprecate.
old...
You have the deprecated animation thing. Animation like this.
Yeah.
I think it's deprecated.
Oh, okay.
So it may disappear in the next years. I'm curious. Let's go see, just for fun.
Because I've used some animations that were really old where you couldn't even use an animator on it.
Correct. You need the animation component. Yes, this. It's legacy. It's not deprecated. Let's see in the newest version if it's still there. It's still there. So they don't say why. Maybe there is performance or whatever. But I understand that it's... The animator is overkill for what we want to do. But the way I do it is fine, I guess. Look, I just drag and drop the animation. That's it. Finish. And then I click loop on the animation. Finish. No more problems. Click on the log. I need my animator. I'm working with Timeline 2 recently. Did you ever work with it?
No, I've seen it, but I haven't actually worked with it. It looks amazing.
It's interesting. I can tell you the difference. So, animator, controller, they are very interesting for animation when you have a lot of possibilities, like a tree of possibility. Timeline is good for animation when you have a lot of sequence. So it's more like a linear animation with a lot of parallel things all working together. But there's no trigger or anything. So you can see it like a timeline of when you build a movie. You see there's a lot of clips, there's a lot of effects, there's a lot of audio. You can control audio directly with timeline, so that's very interesting. And cool. you can I mean that's what I had to say.
That'd be cool for like the audio visual things that y'all do.
Yes, I use it for my pulsating arrow. Did I? Yes.
Really?
But it's laggy in this version of Unity. I mean, it worked well, but building it, I don't know. It's two ways of doing, you know. But I think it's always better to use animation than coding everything in bold for sure. Yeah. It's more versatile. You should never call something every frame. That's just for visual. You need an animation in this case. Bolt is too slow for that. You will I mean, if you have 1 or 2 in your word, of course, but if you have like 100 of object that execute stuff every frame, I will say, yeah, that may be a little heavy. And you know that in VR we need every single piece of CPU and GPU we can.
Yeah.
So drag and drop my animator. There. Finish here. Now I can go to my animation. It's gonna be available. I press record. And I need to spin now. So add a key on the rotation. Just need to connect my my headset. It's there. Battery low. Good. I put a key on rotation, so now it's the start rotation will be that. I guess 2 seconds for rotation should be fine. Let's try this. 1 full rotation. 360, I guess. Okay, let's see if we get it. Okay, and there is this annoying acceleration and deceleration. You can remove that. I do Control A, select every dot here, right click, bolt tangent, linear.
Oh, nice.
I will show you what happened.
Yeah, I was doing it on the curves. I
Look
didn't know
here.
you could do it straight from the
Now you know.
look sheet.
Let's just zoom in the right way. Then it.
Yeah, it's really.
I never know which control. No idea. Okay, this is length. Okay, this is height. Good, I got it. So, by default, Unity will use acceleration and deceleration on your rotation and position or anything. This because it's more natural. But here, since it's a loop, we want the rotation to seamlessly, when the animation restarts, seamlessly continue like if the animation was forever. So I take all the dots, I go to drop sheet, right click, bolt tangent, linear. So now it looks like a line. So you see this, I know it looks weird, but when you are at the top of this line here, you are exactly here. It's equivalent because it's 360 degrees and this is 0. Or if you prefer in US, it will be an inch rotation, right? Feet rotation, degrees, Fahrenheit rotation, stuff, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm joking right away. Sorry. Okay, let's try it now. Oh wow, what beautiful floating poop. Okay.
It's gorgeous. It's elegant.
Yeah,
So royal.
whatever. Not as. That's I got whatever. Okay. The only bad thing with animation is that it won't. You won't have the preview in exit mode. That's the only thing.
Question. I noticed that you have the cylinder that's spinning inside a parent object called spinning cylinder, right?
Correct.
So you have the animator on that. So what's the whole point of doing that? Is it better?
The animator
You
could
know,
be
like-
on both. The advantage is that I can rotate the cylinder without affecting the animation. Because as soon as an animation affects the position of the rotation, you cannot anymore rotate or move this object. But you can put it inside a parent. Inside
So I
a
tried
Tupperware.
that before, and then I noticed that when you press record, and then you go to the object that you want to change,
I
it
can
stops
move
the
it.
recording.
I can record, I can rotate it. And it's still
What?
gonna still move.
Nice.
Yeah, if an animator can only affect the game object it is on and the children. So if the animator is here, you cannot affect the parent. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think that was your problem, but I'm not sure what you had last problem.
So I had an animator on a parent, then I had a bunch of children on it. But then and the thing is, the whole thing was inside a prefab that I was editing. And so
Okay.
every time I would click record, and then if I change the game object, so I could like do some stuff to it, it would stop recording. So how do I get
I know the
around that?
prefab view is very, very laggy. You may want to do it outside prefab view. If you were you inside prefab view,
Yeah.
it's super laggy. There's so many problems there.
Mm.
Sometimes I get like 100 errors per second for no reason.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, there's a lot of bugs in this version of Unity. So sometimes there's some workaround, but normally it should not be a problem. You see, I had a lot of problem with timelines similar to that. That was very annoying. Yeah, it's super complicated to, because timeline can have built-in animation like this one. It won't be a file, it's gonna be inside the timeline, but it's very complicated to edit. So yeah.
Yeah, like I had to go into I had to create a property for each of the children. I couldn't just record. I couldn't just press record
Yeah.
and then you know do like a
Hello.
change and then it'll create a frame. What's up, kid?
Bro.
So
Hey, Ultralord.
I would suggest you try to use it outside prefab view. I normally don't have problems, so hope it will
Okay.
it will work for you. I'm almost wanting to use the spinning cylinder for collecting. Something's missing, right? This don't look like collectible. There's an effect missing. Maybe we'll do it at the end. So let's start by... So collectible system, I could put the script on the top parent. The one that's gonna be a prefab later. The uploader is not necessary. It's just because I'm using the EWU uploader. Bolt, flow machine. Let's save it. Every time I do an embedded script, I regret it. Every single time, okay? It's just not worth it. There's one advantage of embedded. I hear that they can reference game object in the scene. That can't be done with saved script. But we don't really care about that.
Yes.
Where was I? Yes, open Word, project tree. Collectable? Collectable? I don't know. That's the script. Let's go.
Right.
Okay, so we will have our prefab, log prefab. I still don't have a standard for naming variables. Game object. Oh yeah, I don't have it yet. So spinning cylinder, I guess that's gonna be it. Yeah, why not? So this is gonna be the prefab. Oh yeah, spinning log, it's better. So this one is a prefab, that's perfect. It's just for displaying. Spinning log. Also, we don't need collider, it mean, and rigid body. That's not necessary. There. Oh yeah, and you saw I did the prefab,
yes.
so I do. Oops, I select the root of the prefab. Override, apply all change. Now it's saved. Choop. The only way to understand our prefab and prefab variant work is to work with it. It's complicated as concept. You need to try it a lot, and then you will understand. It's always a nightmare to have prefab inside prefab inside prefab. Like I always save the change in the wrong one.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yeah. That's it. We have this here. So I'm gonna return on the main script. Log prefab. Game object. There. So now I can instantiate it very easily. Let me remind something. Yeah, never mind. Okay, let's go on the script. So, maybe we want a start button. I don't know. Whatever. Let's keep it simple for now. Unenable. Damn it. And that cannot be that long. There's no really disadvantage of using coroutine, but you can have you can have the sleepers. How do you call it? Waiters?
Wait.
Sleepers?
It was waiters. I like that.
You can have waiters.
Wait nodes.
Yes, waiting nodes with coroutine. To understand that, you kind of need to understand how C# work, but just know that you need that for having like a node that waiters. Is it what a waiters is? It wait?
I think it's somebody who brings you your food and beverages at a restaurant.
I'm pretty sure it's just a guy that wait. It's paid for waiting.
Oh, okay.
Yes, it's paid a lot for waiting. Okay, sorry,
Yes.
we need to hurry up. We have 1 hour 20 minutes to finish this. Okay.
Or
So
if you live, if you go walking out into water, you might need your waders, which are the boots.
really,
Yes.
I never hear that. I never hear that. I never hear that. Okay, so we will pop 10 of those. These, those, these. 10 of these. Those. Damn it. Okay, so what we want is instantiate. Of course, it's not there. Object.
Oh, I think you just said
Is there? Yes.
ENSTA. There you go.
We will give him a parent. Yes. So the parent will be this. I think I can do it like this. It's not clear for me. Yes. I think GameObject can be converted to transform.
I think you're right.
Or if you prefer, this is valid too. GameObject to transform. In fact, it makes sense because inside GameObject there is a transform component. So it's not going some search. If you go to GameObject, there is a transformed component there, yes. So it makes sense that it's convertible. And I guess it's the same for transform. There must be a GameObject on transform. Yes, correct. Okay, so we want the prefab here. I'm gonna link it to the original. I normally do that. So first one is original, second one is parent, so this order. So to see the line don't cross. Body, so every object is here. Now what we want is to position the object. So GameObject.transform. Transform.position. I'm gonna use local position. Is it position or location? Local position, yes. Local because it's gonna be local to the parent. Yes. So now I need a random range. This is a yes, random range and the float one, not the integer one. So let's say the y-axis is always going to be 1. That's up. So I need 2 random, one for x and one for Did someone just barf?
Oh, I might have bumped my mic. Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Unmute.
I mean, I thought someone barf. Damn it. No. New vector tree. New vector. Vector tree. Vector tree. Trick or treat. Vector treat. Good. Now why I said 1, x and z we don't care. I guess plus and minus 5. That's the size of this ugly floor. So minus 5, 5, -5, 5. So it will pop a random position in this area here. Very simple way of doing it. We can start it right now. Let's try it. Yeah, let's try it. Should be quite fast. Whoa, wow. That's beautiful. Oh, I hope I have time to put ugly noise, ugly sound when you collect it.
That is great.
Oh my god, that's so funny. Okay, let's go. The UI, I will just move it. Can I? Yes, I can. Spinning logs and the UI. I'm gonna put it on the back and at something like 2 meters. There. I don't like floating stuff, but it's gonna be floating. There. Okay. I would like to add one particle to them so we have this sparkling effect. Or I could have a sphere with a shader. Yeah, let's see that later. Okay, so something is missing with the log. Yes, something is missing. We need a way to collect them, right? So let's put a circle, sphere, no, a box. A box is fine. A box collider. Yes. I'm gonna enable gizmo. Yeah, that's a little big. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Okay, that's the box collider. Okay, and yeah, trigger, whatever.
Whatever.
Yes, that's my name, whatever. Okay, that's tricky because this one don't need to be collectible.
True.
But we can see that later.
So I have a question about how you are you know, like how the triggers only, so when are you gonna do it so when the player, how are you gonna make the player collective?
That's interesting. I don't know. I could do the reverse. The log get collect by the player because he have a trigger. Yeah, that could work too.
So the logs are collecting the player?
No, yeah, the log detect the
Yeah.
player and they go inside the player.
In Somnium space, the logs collect you.
That could be a very fun bloopers. No, the Easter egg.
Yes.
You see the inventory and you are spinning there.
That would be great.
I mean, we could try to access the body collider, but I think both are good solution as long as there's no script always running. But it will be way more efficient to. The problem with the player is that it can change. So a script
Good
that works
point.
now will maybe not work later.
So are you gonna have a script on each of the logs?
That could be. I wanted to make simple here. The open world project purpose is to be simple. So
I think you're already going to regret putting it as embedded, because this would be the perfect solution where if you keep it not embedded and you keep the script in the project folder, then when you make multiples of it, the problem with the embedded now is if you make a change to one of those, then you've got to update all of the versions of it. But I think if you leave them as a flow script in the project folder and drag that in as a macro, then you can edit it once.
Yeah.
And it will be pushed to all of them. So I think you're right, Denevraut. I think probably doing it as a flow macro would be better. I'm also wondering if that makes it work more efficiently instead of having multiple embedded scripts, if you're using one flow macro and pulling instances of it.
Instances? I mean,
Or
as long
not-
as there is script running everywhere, it's gonna be the same.
Okay, good.
Pretty
Interesting.
sure. Pretty sure it's gonna be all be the same, but
Sure.
I mean, we can
But
always
it's on
update.
Collider.
We can always update the project later.
Totally.
So I'm not sure. I could try to get the body collider, but I cannot just test it in VR right now. Let's go check my notes. Just gonna go check my notes, documentation. It's not working. Sorry, I have two PCs, so. Documentation, Unity, Bolt, and Somnium Space local PC player scan. I'm not really allowed to show that, so I mean, I guess I'm not. Okay, collider. In fact, I really want that. I will prefer a rigid body. Rigid body. Because if none have rigid body, there's no point. Okay, so the PC player have a rigid body at least. It does the VR. I guess the VR 2 have one. Scan local VR player. It's not of your business. Okay. I'm joking. They start to be old. They'll scan. Okay, I guess that's fine. So collider. What a pain. We have capsule collider. Yes. Do we have it here too? Capsule collider. That may work. Yeah, we can try that. There's two on the PC player. There is two capsule collider. So I'm not sure which one. One on the layer 2 and one on the layer 15. If I go to VR, I have one on the layer 15 and 2. Okay, that's pretty much the same. It happened in the past that they changed names, so it was hard to find it back after an update. Body collider. Body collider. I think both have a body collider. Body collider. Layer 15. Body collider. Layer 15. Okay, maybe that will work. Let's try it. Hope it's correct. If the size is if the size don't work, if the size is not correct, it won't work. Okay, let's try this. Body collider, capsule collider. That should be working. So we want to search for that. But then I need to read only the local player. I think that's just too painful to do. Let's keep it simple. Normally event-based code should not be heavy, but I'm very curious if you have 1000 event code, if it doesn't start to be heavy, you know?
Sure.
I don't know. Okay, so let's go for the simplest way. The logs will collect the human. So I need a script on the log. Bolt flow machine. The other way I had before was to literally add a new trigger on the player. Okay, so new local local open word project tree
For me
collectible.
personally, I like to going into the project folder, creating it there, and dragging it in.
Yeah, that's an idea. The bolt should, damn it.
They both do the same thing, just a matter of preference. That's all.
Collectible controller, collectible. There. No, it doesn't exist. No, it don't exist.
Oh my god.
No, it don't exist.
Let's try a different way. Yeah. So right click down in your
No,
project
no,
folder.
no, that's fine now.
Okay.
There. I had to restart. Sorry. Okay, so untrigger enter. Untrigger enter. Correct. I think we have a script
Ooh.
to detect a player, right?
You just overwrote your meta file, not your collectible file.
Really?
I think.
Good to know. Let's go check that. Hey, you. Oh, yeah. I'm clicking there. I think I broke everything.
Yeah, that's why I almost try to never do it in the actual
Look,
folder.
hey, it's the first time I do that. This error.
I'm sure. So, yes.
Okay, now it's okay. Now
There we
it's
go.
repaired. It's repaired by itself. Collectible.
Good.
Oh, yeah, this one is broken. There.
Yeah, so I always
Okay.
like right-clicking in that space, adding a new bolt flow machine, and then dragging it in. Anyway,
Yeah,
that's mine.
that makes sense. I never thought about that.
That's
Where
why
was
we're all
I?
here. So
Yes.
sorry.
I'm so slow. Damn it. Okay, we have I'm pretty sure we have a script for detecting player. Oh yeah, we have. On player enter. There.
Nice.
That's gonna probably be himself. There's no way, right?
So this script on local player enter, it just checks if the object that collides is the main camera, or is there like a special technique to confirm?
I think yes. Let me just do that. Can I do two things at the same time? Go here. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Oh yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
You check if main camera, blah blah blah. So this only work with local player.
Cool.
Stuff need to happen. Oh, so it's gonna be collectible. How did they call it? Controller. That's the parent. Okay, next. So I'm just gonna call a function. Custom event on his parent. Like this. True. Yes. collect, I guess. Okay, let's go here. Custom event. Same name again. I don't need to put yeah, itself. So I need a variable that starts as quantity. Set graph variable. Int literal. This could have been a float if the collectible have different wait, yes. So get graph variable. We will do add +1, add scalar, add 1, and we will show the result. Oh yeah, we need to reference the text mesh pro quantity. No, text quantity. Sorry. No, it's a UGUI. UGUI. Damn it. What's happening? Where are the text mesh pro? Oh, it's not there. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna go on tools, bolt, unit option wizard. Be careful, don't press the reset. Text. What?
I think
What's
there's some
happening?
text mess. What's the matter? Oh, you have to do it in the first one first, in the assemblies.
Okay, yep. I guess. Oh, if it's a DLL, yes. If it's not a DLL,
Yeah,
it's
yep.
it's
You know where I learned that
Mesh
from?
Pro. No.
Somnium Space Guide. You should check it out.
Yes.
It's a lot of useful information in there.
So we need to add Text Mesh Pro and Text Mesh Pro UGUI.
Exactly.
I'm just gonna type UGUI there.
Ooh,
UGUI is for the UI. You have Text Mesh Pro that is 3D, and you have the one that is in UI. Sorry. Look at this thing. You pooping. Okay.
And what I was saying a minute ago is a text quantity. Quantity is spelled QUA.
Oh.
And then the other letters. There we go.
Aha, because in French it's a E.
Oh, interesting. Now I gotta check to make sure I'm right.
No,
Yes.
It makes sense. French is quantité. So it's you replace the Y by We have weird letters in French with like hats.
Is that an umlaut? No, that's another language entirely. I think.
My God, I think I never write it this way. It's like English. In French it's A, and in English start by E.
Oh, gotcha.
That's so
That's
stupid.
weird. So weird.
I always mix both. Okay, where was I? UGUI. There. So we will convert the string Sorry, we convert the integer to string. Intus into string. Into string.
Interesting.
I have difficulty to click. I have like 5 FPS here. Just too much stuff open. Oh yeah, your GUI.text. There. I don't know why there is 2. Do you have set text and you have just text? Ah, because this one is an object. Got it. There. Here. Okay. That's quite advanced. Oh, did we have the fake player?
I think you put it in this project last week.
Where's the fake player? Oh, I don't think I made a prefab of it. Oh, okay. Let's make a prefab of it. PC grabber? No, automatic door. Oops. Fake player. Fake. Not player? I thought. There. Discard. Oh, got it. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting for testing. Fake player. Too bad I don't have a control script. It would be fun. Where is this camera? Oh, weird. It's a third-person camera. Sorry, that's not necessary. It would have been fun to have a control. I don't have time. Okay. Fake player is here. Did I remove gravity? No, remove gravity. Or will fall for no reason. Okay. Oh yeah, forget the most important part. Destroy. Destroy. It's gonna die. There. This is the dying sequence. Let's try it now. Yay!
Go get it. Go get him. Get it. Oh,
What? Why?
layers? Is it layers? I'm guessing layers.
Maybe. Maybe. So we have this. That's a trigger.
Yep, default. It's on the default layer.
Terrain.
Do we want it on trigger layer or ignore raycast layer?
Ah, it worked. Got it. It doesn't really matter. They're not moving. Any layer. Vehicle. I think it would be good practice to put vehicle.
Really?
I mean, everything that could move, I put vehicle. Because if you don't,
Okay.
it will interfere with the occlusion system, and then when you move it, it will disappear. It's super weird.
Okay. So the vehicle layer won't be called. Okay.
Let's try it again. Yum, yum,
Nice. Yum,
Yum.
yum, yum, yum,
num,
yum.
num,
Yum.
num, num, num. Oh, is the
Mm.
UI working?
That's good logs.
Yay!
Hey, nicely done, Denevraut.
11 because I put 10. Okay, now we have time to add some funny stuff. Yay! Okay, so we will have a new prefab. It's gonna be an audio source because the object disappear, but you still have audio. Or I could also just make it invisible and destroy when the audio is finished playing. Let's do that. So I need an audio. No.
What if, like, when you collected it, you get it says like you collected log 1. Then if you collected another one, it said you collected log 2.
That's boring. Oh. I'm joking. Sorry. That's
oh my
very
god,
rude.
Denevraut. I like Denevraut's audio. Num. Num.
Yeah, we could do that. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit Asperger. I'm not gonna buy an audio file just for that. I'm gonna make it instead. Okay. Very serious mode. I got this software the other day on Audio. Oh, we need a sparkle explosion too. Num. Num. Oh, that's boring.
I need a recording of that. Ah, that's boring.
Yum. Yum. That's better. How this
That's good
work?
log.
Yum. I'm taking this. Export. Save whatever. It's in French. OGG. Is it Vorbis? I think it's Vorbis. I don't know. Export. It's gonna be called num. There. I guess.
Is there a quick summary of why you would choose OGG over any of the other ones, Denevraut? Personal preference, or
Yes. It's normally the best audio format you have right now. MP3
Okay.
is just old. OGG
Got
is
it.
like the new. I know
the
it
new
not.
OGG?
I know MP3 is still widely used, but OGG is a little bit superior in terms of quality per data used.
Okay, good to know.
And Unity can play OGG. And I think it's convert to OGG. Look here, Vorbis compression format. It don't even use.
okay.
Unity don't even use MP3. It converted to Vorbis, even if you read MP3.
Interesting.
Quality. Oh, like it's 9 kilobyte. We don't need to think about quality. Yum. Mono is fine. For 3D sound, I don't see a big difference between mono and stereo. Yum. Sorry. I'm such a child sometimes. Okay. Photon mono, go there. What's this? Cylinder? Oh yeah, sorry. No, photon mono, go there. Okay. Let's add another source. Let me think. I think I will use the other idea because it's more universal. You pop an object with an audio file, it play, and it destroy by himself. Let's do that.
Okay.
Audio. I call it a pop sound. Why am I typing this there? Pop sound. So this is going to be reusable. So I need an audio source, and let's add a reverb filter. Why? Because why not? I don't know, generic. Play on awake. And I put the num sound here. That's all I need. Oh yeah, of course, special blend 3D. You should never use something as pop sound. Now I need a bolt. Yes. Why is it? Script? No. Bolt. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Flow. No. Oh my god. Flow. Good. Pop sound. So this is gonna be a reusable sound player. That the advantage of pop sound, because if you have one audio player, you cannot play multiple sound at the same time, or it will just cut. It's very annoying. So you will prefer popping a lot of object, even if it look heavier, but the result will be much more interesting. And they should die by themselves, so it should be fine. And they play automatically, play on awake. I normally put them... okay, let's just do the script. Oh yeah, pop sound. Okay, so that's how it's gonna work. On enable. Okay, sorry. Coroutine, because we will have a delay. We will take the audio source. Damn it. I taking the clip. I want its duration. No, it's not duration. Length in second. Good. I'm gonna add few seconds to the length because we will have reverb probably, so 2 or 3 seconds it's fine. It's gonna play automatically, so I don't think I have to think about that. So destroy there and wait for a second here. Pretty much what we need. Unscaled. If you want to do some more maths, I love to divide the time by the pitch, because if the pitch change, the duration of the audio will change too. You understand what I mean?
No idea. Do that again.
So the audio clip pitch here.
Yep.
If you put pitch at 2, it normally will make the audio file twice faster. If you put it at 0.5,
okay.
twice longer. So I divide the length by the pitch.
Got
for this
it.
reason. It should work. And the suicide. I should not say that. There. He goes sleeping. That should be fine. Most of the time when you do a wait, check on scale, because if you change the time of your word, it's gonna affect those delay too. And this, I don't know. In fact, it's sound based. I never tried to change the time. I just think it's pointless. I don't know. Never mind. Okay, let's try this now. Yum. That worked. Okay, we will make a prefab of it. Pop sound. Okay. Scripts. It's always nice to organize. Audio. I'll normally let the prefab here. There. We don't need this anymore. Like, did I accidentally did something wrong? Okay, so that's the nice thing here. We will instantiate. Oh, okay. You don't necessarily need parent, or if we just put the position. Transform. We will put global position because transform position get, that's from self, position set from self to sorry, not self. We just transfer the position, in fact. Yes, here, like that. Now I need a pop sound. Like that. Remind me popsicle. Oh yeah, it's the prefab. There! Now we should have a next level experience. Let's try again. Yum. 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 Okay, I'm gonna send you sound. It's just so funny. Oh my god. Discord.
Yes, thank you. I was just gonna say we're not able to hear
I'm
these.
just gonna... Good. I'm gonna share screen. But I need to make sure it's ready. There. You got it?
Let me see.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Oh, it didn't hear it.
Not yet.
I didn't hear anything.
Oh, I think you have to share application, not screen.
Oh, did I miss it? Did I? Dang it. Yeah, I guess I did a double reverse. That's weird that you cannot share audio with screen. Yum.
We heard it that time.
Yum.
Oh my god, that's the best sound.
Yum. Yum. I have an idea. Every time you eat one, there's one more.
After you eat 5, you need to belch.
To what?
Every time you eat 5, you need to burp.
Oh, yeah. I'm not gonna make this sound. Okay, so I'm gonna connect this. There. It's gonna be fun. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Whoop, something went wrong?
What
Why is
happened?
that? Oh, interesting.
It's still scoring.
Yeah, I know. Weird. They don't die. Something wrong with that.
Missing reference exception? Oh, you destroyed it.
You're still trying to reference it. How?
Oh. Well.
Hmm.
Oh, because when you're destroying it, you're not removing it. Oh, because it's trying to remove it from the list of collected.
Maybe I destroyed too soon. Let's do a wait, maybe.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's try and fail problem. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, this is not a coroutine? Oh, it's not. Let's convert now. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god, let's restart. Ah, did I remove the link I have made before? This one? Let's try again. Yum, 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 yum. Not sure what happened. Not sure.
So.
And you could change this for a coroutine instead. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Hmm?
All right, so that is.
Oh, I think I understand what happened. Aha! The prefab is not the right one. The prefab is in the scene. Now it's fine. Okay. That's what happened. I could not instantiate anymore because I delete the prefab.
Oh.
Okay, now it's not working. Okay. What happened? Oh, did I forget to override it? Probably. There. You see? It's so fun to code. Ah. Ah. What do you mean cast? Collectible controller. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Got it. Okay. So you don't have access to the collectible controller.
Oh.
So look at what I'm gonna do. That's a workaround. I'm gonna still use it. That's not illegal. But I'm gonna disable it. There. And when I instantiate, I'm gonna enable it. Set active. I could have give him by script, but yeah, the two ways work too. And this one will be special. It won't have a collider there, and I won't save the there. Those one won't be saved. It's important not to apply the change. Let's try again. Yum. Yum 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 yum. Okay, I have a new idea now. That's gonna be way funnier. So when the audio will play, no, the audio won't play by himself now. I want to randomize the pitch. I can just randomize the pitch myself. Where is it? Where is it? Pop sound. Pitch set. Random range. Let's start by 0.9 to... damn it. 0.9 to 1.1. That should be fine. Okay. Yum. 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 Yum.
If you hear it enough times, it almost sounds like he's saying meow. 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 Meow.
Dang it. That's so stupid. Okay, we have time for our last modification now.
Yes. Do it.
We want to make it more interesting to see. So I need some kind of effect. Maybe some particle. I wonder if a particle system with one particle is a good option. What do you think?
Yeah, that should be good.
I don't have a script right now to make one particle. I have one in another project, but it's very complicated. Oh yeah, I know. Billboard. Sorry, I know something that's gonna work. Do I have amplify shader here?
Good question.
Because amplify shader will still work. You can't edit it, but it will still be usable.
Yes.
So I can make a shader. That's not a problem. I can live with that. Oh my god. I just realized we need to test this. 72 somehow, it's always my test ground. Uh... 72. Yay! Yum. Yum. What? Yum. Yum.
Nice.
Yum. 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 Too strong. Yum. Yum. And the something's not right. Where's the pop sound? Pop sound. Yes, and I want to see your script. Thank you. Feel like it stopped too soon. Anyway, it's too strong, that's for sure. So at least I will change the volume. There.
Yum yum.
Hmm?
Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum 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 yum. 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 Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum.
I think my body touched multiple times the this here, so I need to put a lock. I could put once. I guess that's gonna work. There. You should rarely use that. Once. There. So I'm sure it will be executed only once.
Good call. Good idea.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Yum. Yum. Yum.
Sorry, you don't hear that. Oh, you still see my
Oh, that's right.
you still see the wrong screen. You won't have audio, but they're the normal one. There.
Sure.
Yum.
It worked quite
Yum.
good.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Cool.
Yum.
I just need to spread it wider. Where's
True.
my mouse? Where's my mouse? There, okay.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
I want
Yum.
more.
Is it doing the sound on your
Yes,
end? Yup.
yes.
Nice.
Yum.
That's
Diode
awesome.
Diode just joined.
Yum. 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 Yum.
I'm gonna win.
Yum.
69.
Yum. 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 Yum.
84.
Yum. 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 Yum.
So the lane game.
Yum. 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 Yum.
It's like
Yum,
pick up
yum,
sticks.
100. I win. I love to say that. Okay, shader now. Oh my god. That's the limit of what I can have on my screen. Cool. Let's try with quad. Quad. My CPU like full. No, nothing is full in fact. I guess it's Unity. You have difficulty. Weird. I will never know. I think I have an idea. Never. Oh. Cancel. I have an idea of shader. I'm gonna do a reverse sphere or something. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's just use particle system. I don't have enough frame rate to do that. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the prefab spinning log here. I'm gonna add I don't know, particle system. Cannot hurt, right? That's horrible. Lol.
Okay.
There's no particles? There. Default particle. I don't want gravity. Shape. Sphere. Okay. Radius. Radius 0. 0. I don't know. Not convinced. I hope I will have like soft particle. Do you know how to enable this? That's better, but that's still ugly.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Yeah, star would have been better.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Okay, interesting. Oh. Somnium, thank you. There. The particle system.
All right.
Rearm? Yes. Lifetime? Why it's not missing from time 0? I wonder.
Sorry, I missed that. What is it doing or not doing?
Trying to make sure the particle never like don't take delay for showing.
Oh,
Maybe simulation speed 0? Nope. I'm not sure it's made for doing that, but it's working. Let's create a new material. So I don't like this. Material, particle. Okay. There. Now I do transparent. Oh, what's this? Steam VR direction system. Okay, why not? Wow. Complete mess. Guys, we don't have time for that. Let's return on the default particle. I'm sorry. I have no idea. I don't have better idea for today. Okay, let's send this to the Google Drive.
I'm jumping
Okay.
into test in VR too.
Oh, you are gonna test it in VR?
Yum.
Yes.
Nice. I made the spawning area larger.
Oh, you did. Neat.
Yum.
Oh,
Yum.
there's somebody here
Yum.
too.
Yeah, we say yum after eating logs.
Yum.
That makes no sense.
Yum. Yum.
I'm
Yum.
sure.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Okay, let's send this to the drive. So we don't need this. Pop sound, spinning log, and project 3. There. The prefab we want. Okay, now I can export this. Just to be safe. Or do I have the Google Drive somewhere? Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Ah, that's so annoying. Is my phone number is not there? Good. So open Word, project 3 should be working normally. How big it is? Look at this, 200 kilobyte, 16. I don't do big project. That's efficient. It's not a lot of kilobyte per hours of developing. So thank you very much for watching. You can find the project I made in Somnium Space, Somnium Word.
Hold on, Denevraut.
channel.
We're just jumping into test. If you've got a minute more, and I'm bringing a
course.
guest with us.
Let's go.
All right, hold on. I'm a little turned around here,
Yum.
and we need to go this direction.
Yum. Yum.
I got a new user I found in that I met in City Center this morning, and I was giving him a tour earlier, and we're coming to check it out. We are almost there. We have Iwu in our sights.
Yum.
I'm gonna put night for me. See what it look.
And I'll share my screen too. Give me just a moment.
There. Now it's night.
Nice. All right, and I will share.
Oh, it's ugly.
Share
Yeah.
screen. There we go. All right. All right. Let's continue.
Let me see that.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Right, we're gonna do like
Yeah.
we did before. Just down the road.
Yeah.
Then when it's done, we'll enter world.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Which parcel were you
Yeah.
doing that experiment on?
72.
Denevraut?
Yum.
72. All right.
72. So we can do this. 72. I love this thing.
I know.
Look. Look at my screen. Oh, you can't.
I like it. I can look at your screen. Sure. All right. So here in Iwu, this is Denevraut. Denevraut meets Lonely guest here.
Hello.
So what we'll do? Oh, Denevraut, remind me. How do we
Yeah.
get the Iwu menu in VR?
Yum.
It's the left
Yeah.
A button.
Left A button. Okay. All right. We'll just follow you. Can you show us where 72 is? Yeah. All right, this way, man. So
Yeah.
as I mentioned before, we can either just walk into the little parcel, or we can click
Yeah.
load. Either way, it'll pull up, and then
Yeah.
we can go eat some logs.
Yum.
Oh, I missed that one. I'm not tall
Yeah.
enough for this one, Denevraut.
What?
Yum.
I'm not tall enough for this one.
No, you can't. You can't eat this one.
Okay. Oh, I can't eat this one. All right, that makes sense.
Can you eat the others?
Yes. Yum. Oh shoot! I'm not sharing my application. Let me share my application so you can hear it too.
Yum. 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 Yum.
It's so ridiculous.
It's ridiculous and best thing ever.
Yeah, but I love my new tutorial, my new streams. They are more concrete.
Yum.
Yo.
Yum. Yum.
I love the pitch
Yum.
differences. It's such a
Yum.
interesting mechanic.
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting full.
Yum.
Anyone can
Yeah.
download it and do better.
Yum. Yum.
All right. So,
Yum.
does anybody remember Ren and Stimpy?
Yum.
the log
Yeah.
commercial.
Oh man, that was crazy.
Yum. Yum.
Denevraut, do you know
Yeah.
that reference?
No. I have
Oh,
50.
you have to.
Yeah, put
Yum.
if
Yum.
you have
Yum.
some time, go online and put
Yum.
Ren and Stimpy log. And then
Yes, yes.
Yum.
I
Yum.
need to put a timer, and you have to
Yum.
take the more possible in 1
Yum.
minute.
Yum. Yum.
Yes, absolutely.
Yum. 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 Yum.
But now you need a parkour if you do that, right?
Yum.
Parkour. Yes,
parkour.
Yeah,
absolutely.
and they will not need. I mean, you can.
Yum.
You don't need to pre-generate. You don't need to generate
Yum.
them. You
Yum.
can just
Yum.
place them yourself. You
Yum.
don't need
Parkour.
to generate them like I did.
Yum. 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 Yum.
What's that, Lonely? Hold
Yum.
on, let me
Yum.
mute my Discord. Hold on.
Yum. Yum. Yum.
Well, thanks for sticking around for us,
Yum.
Denevraut. I'm gonna mute and answer
Yes,
some
I'm
questions with
gonna go
Lonely.
now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Good
go
stream, man.
too.
That was a lot of
Guys,
fun.
Yeah, it was so amazing.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Peace.